Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2 Roman Numerals. The numbers that we use for counting are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. There are 10 numbers are in Hindu-Arabic numerals. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We use these 10 numbers to form different large numbers. But in Roman numerals, there are only 7 symbols for counting the numbers. We can repeat these 7 numbers and form different Roman numerals. The 7 symbols are I, X, C, M, V, L and D. These symbols stands for I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. So there are some special features of Roman numeral that we have to learn it while forming the Roman numbers. So first one is no symbols for 0 is given in Roman numerals. Then no place value system is in Roman numerals. As Hindu-Arabic numerals, there are 2 place value systems. One is Indian system and second one is international. But in Roman numeral, no place value system. Number 3 is no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. These 7 symbols, we can't repeat these symbols more than 3 times. The symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated. These symbols I, X, C and M. These 4 symbols can be repeated, but V, L, D, these 3 symbols can be repeated to form the new Roman numerals. There are 4 different rules for forming Roman numerals. Rule number 1 is repetition of a Roman number means addition. When we repeat one Roman number more than 2 or 3 times, that means we have to add all the symbols. That is, here is given 3i. So we have to add I plus I plus I. I is equal to 1. This I is equal to 1. This I is equal to 1. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 3i is equal to 3. Double x. Double x, that is x plus x. X is equal to 10 plus x is equal to 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. CC. C is equal to 100 plus C is equal to 100 equal to 100 plus 100 is 200. Now rule number 2. A smaller number written after the larger number means addition. When we write first larger symbol, after that we write smaller symbol, that means we have to add both the symbols. So VI, that is V plus I, V is equal to 5 plus I is equal to 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, XII, X plus I plus I. X is equal to 10, I is equal to 1. This I is equal to 1. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 is 12. Similarly, XV, X plus V. X is equal to 10, V is equal to 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. LX, L plus X. X 50 and X is 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. L triple X. That means L plus X plus X plus X. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 80. Now rule number 3. Rule number 3 is opposite to rule number 2. In rule number 3, a smaller number written before larger number means subtraction. Here larger number is V and smaller number is 1. And smaller number 1 is written before larger number V. So we have to subtract the symbols. So V is equal to 5 minus I is equal to 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So IV is equal to 4. IX. X is equal to 10 minus I is equal to 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. IX equal to 9. XL. L is equal to 50 minus X is equal to 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. That is XL is 40. XC. 100 minus 10. C is equal to 100 minus X is equal to 10 equal to 90. while doing the subtraction, we have to remember these 3 points. First one is V, L and D. These 3 symbols never be subtracted. These 3 symbols never be repeated and never be subtracted. You have to learn this. In special feature, you learn it. V and D cannot be subtracted. Again, in subtraction, V, L and D never be subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and I. The symbol I can only be subtracted from V and X. Other than V and X, I cannot be subtracted with other symbols. X can be subtracted from L and X. And X, this can be subtracted from only L and C. Other than L and C, X cannot be subtracted with other symbol. Now, rule number 4. When a smaller number is written between the two larger number, then it is first subtracted and then addition. So, here see X, V. X is 10, V is 5. So, between this 10 and 5, I is written, I is equal to 1. That means two bigger number X and V, and in between this one is smaller number. So, first we have to subtract IV, then add X. So, X is equal to 10 plus IV equal to 5 minus 1. So, first subtract this 5 minus 1, we get 4. So, then 10 plus 4 is 14. XIX. X is 10 plus 10 minus 1. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, first we subtract, then we add with 10, 19. XXIV. So, 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1. First we subtract 5 minus 1, 4. Then we add 10 plus 10 plus 4 is 24. So, that's all for today's class. Okay. Bye.